Here's an update on Claude 3.7 Sonnet and Claude Code. Today, we're excited to introduce two powerful new tools from Anthropic that are set to transform your workflow. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is a hybrid reasoning model that delivers near-instant responses for quick questions while offering deep, step-by-step reasoning for more complex tasks. With control over how long the model thinks, you can easily switch between fast answers and detailed analysis. One of the graphs shows that on coding challenges, Claude 3.7 Sonnet is 12 to 20% more accurate in software engineering compared to highly regarded models like OpenAI's o3 and DeepSeek. For other benchmarks, the model in its basic form holds up well with other models, and when it comes to extended thinking, such as instructional following and agent tool use, it sometimes performs even better. Complementing Sonnet is Claude Code, an innovative tool that automates your development tasks. Claude Code can read, edit, test, and push code via GitHub, turning tasks that once took over 45 minutes into a single, efficient pass. It can do all of this within one folder and have it built straight into your project without even having to open a file. This seamless integration boosts your productivity and streamlines your entire coding workflow. To try out these new tools, simply log into your Anthropic account and select Claude 3.7 Sonnet from your dashboard. Use the extended thinking feature to adjust the depth of analysis for your queries, whether you're debugging code or exploring complex topics. As for setting up and using Claude Code, this is different depending on what software you use, so have a search around as many creators have already made in-depth tutorials. Together, Claude 3.7 Sonnet and Claude Code empower you to work smarter and faster. With exceptional coding performance and robust reasoning abilities, these updates are designed to elevate your projects and simplify complex tasks. Experience the future of AI and see how these innovations can transform the way you work.